What if I told you? There's a giant galaxy speeding toward us right now. It's called Andromeda. And one day, it will collide with our own Milky Way. But the truth is even more incredible. The Andromeda Galaxy is the largest galaxy in our local cosmic neighborhood. It contains around 1 trillion stars, far more than our Milky Way. Located about 2.5 million light-years away, it's actually the closest major galaxy to us. NASA's Galaxy Evolution Explorer captured stunning images of Andromeda, revealing young, hot stars glowing across its massive spiral arms. Even though Andromeda is unimaginably far away, it's moving toward us at nearly 110 kilometers per second. That may sound scary, but don't worry. The collision won't happen for about 4.5 billion years. And because the distance between stars is so enormous, most stars, including our Sun, are unlikely to crash into another star. Instead, both galaxies will slowly merge into one giant new galaxy over millions of years. Imagine standing on a future Earth, looking up at the night sky, and seeing Andromeda growing larger every million years. Eventually, the sky would be filled with billions of extra stars,